Does your Raptor make weird noises coming from the motor when you're driving? Do you have a dull, dingy, shitty chain slider that's worn all the way through to the swing arm? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to fix it with this. Alright guys, so as you saw in the beginning of this video, we got a crappy chain slider on this Raptor 700. So I figured I'd make a quick video for you guys showing you how to change it out. Now the process to do this is going to be similar to many quads and dirt bikes. Unfortunately on a lot of them it can kind of be a pain in the ass, but this one's pretty easy. Alright guys, so this is how it comes. I decided to go with the TM Design Works. It's already open. I just kind of mocked it up here just to show you how it comes, basically in a bag here. I'll pull that out, and of course we got 2 stickers, and it's the right color too, which I really like. So I'm going to use these, replace them later. But it's a pretty basic swap, and what's nice about the ones with the Raptor 700 is this opening here allows you to clip it on the swing arm without taking the swing arm off. Unfortunately, on a lot of quads and dirt bikes, you actually, this whole thing is enclosed, and you have to take the swing arm out to replace the chain guide, which I think is just the silliest thing in the world. So they did it right with the Raptor 700. Now to get this job done, we got pretty basic tools. Got a 3/8 inch ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. You probably don't need even the extension, but we're going to use it in this instance. Really simple to do. We got one 10mm bolt that goes right here. We're going to replace that, pop it off, pop the new one on, and throw the new bolt in. All right, so I tried to get a decent angle here. We're working outside today, but I wanted to get a decent angle here for you guys to see. So this is the 10mm bolt right here. Just going to pop this off. And there's a little lip you want to pull back out and just pull that thing right off. Now we're going to take our new chain slider, slide it into place, and we're just going to work it until it clips right over the end of the swing arm. Sometimes you got to play with it for a little bit. Then just make sure this hole is lined up. Throw your bolt back in, snug it up, and you're done. So there it is. You can see how easy it was to switch that out. Plus it goes with the theme of the squad really nicely. Pretty happy with the way that looks. So here's our old chain slider. You can see this thing is wasted. It's got cracks in it. And up here, this is what I was talking about in the beginning of this video. If your quad's making weird noises, or dirt bike, coming from the side of the motor, a lot of times it's as simple as changing out the chain slider because your chain is rubbing up against the swing arm where it's breaking through right here. And it's really important to change these out because it will eventually eat through the swing arm, and then you're looking at spending a lot of money to fix that. It can destroy your bearings and just mess up a lot of things. So it's real simple maintenance, keeping up with your chain sliders. And that's going to be all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me a comment below. And I appreciate you all watching. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next one.